I just want to tell you about why it's such a good thing to have around the house with you, or even on excursions. Even though it says it's a mosquito swatter, it still works on bigger things like flies. And in fact, there's a fly I can hear now in the bathroom. So let's go and put it through its paces with this fly. So just to give you a quick rundown of what it does, it's got a switch here on the side, it's got the battery built in, you switch it to the first mode, and then you press this button here, and then that lights up red. When that is red, it means that that's live and it's going to zap anything that touches it. So there you go, the red light goes on when you press the button, and when you release it goes off. If it's switched all the way off, the button does nothing and it doesn't activate the zapping mechanism inside. If you switch it all the way up, we get a purple light, and that purple light attracts mosquitoes to the thing so that they zap themselves and you don't have to do anything. Now what I really like about this is you don't need to do fast movements in order to get anything. You can either let the thing come to you, or you can slowly waft through and they just end up touching it and then they get zapped. It's as easy as that. It does rotate round, so it makes it a bit more of a compact setup, so you can slide it in a bag or something like that, and it's just it's probably a bit safer like this. It's less likely for you to break it if you package it wrong or whatever. And also it's got 3 little prongs on the bottom here so that it could stand up on a tabletop, as well as having this really strong rubber ring here so you can hook it up places like in the middle of a tent or something like that, so then you can have it attracting mosquitoes as you sleep soundly in your blanket or sleeping bag or whatever you're doing at the time, or even in your room at night. So let's go catch that fly. As you can see, it's in there. Got it. So as you saw, we got the fly, and essentially I just wafted the bat around the fly. It ended up going inside and it got zapped. And so that was a job well done from the Mosquito Swatter.